Hi, my name is Matthew, and I have a viral cash app, an app that siphons profits from a $70 billion pie and deposits cash directly into my bank account. This is unlike anything you've ever seen before, because my viral cash app secretly cuts newbies in on a massive $70 billion free traffic source. But wait, pay attention, because this video could be removed at any time, and you don't want to miss out on the chance to beta test our app and cut you in on the action. Action that produces unheard of results. Results like these. I'm going to give you live, undeniable proof right in front of your very eyes of me logging into one of my many affiliate accounts. In this particular ClickBank account, I'm earning an average of $200 to $300 per day every single day. If you want to make money like this, then listen up. And the best part is, it has nothing to do with Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies. You will not be doing any forms of paid advertising. This is not taking paid surveys. There is no SEO or Google. This is not eCommerce or Shopify. And this is definitely not some kind of MLM or pyramid scheme. When you keep watching, I'm going to give you a real life case study of my secret viral cash app making real money right in front of your very eyes. But you know what's even more exciting than that? Not having to worry about how it's being done. That's right. Not only am I going to drop you in front of that same $70 billion pie, but I'm going to let you beta test my viral cash app and let you use it to siphon profits off for yourself if you qualify as a beta tester. Okay, more on that in just a moment, but first, I need your full attention. Turn off any distractions, close the Facebook tab, turn your smartphone on silent, and close the door, because what you are about to see will shock you. And it might raise your heartbeat to a level you haven't felt in a long time. That's okay. It's called excitement, and I expect you to be really excited in less than 7 minutes. So get ready, because this is not for everyone. This app is not designed for someone looking for a one-hit wonder. If you're looking for a guru promising you millions overnight, then I'm sorry, this is just not for you. If you're impressed with high-quality video productions and fake actors selling fake promises and broken software that actually is worth less than the video production itself, then again, I'm sorry, but this is just not for you. If you're looking for push-button, one-click magic software, I can promise you, this is as close as it gets, but this is no one-click wonder. But on the other hand, if you are looking for a stable yet long-term online commission generator, you need to stick around. I'm going to reveal how I get daily earnings like this, and this, and this, month after month, all from using my simple yet extremely powerful app. Now, hang on. Let me explain precisely how the viral cash app works and how it's the missing key to your internet income. You see, the commissions are all around you, even as we speak right now, but you cannot get to them because you haven't tapped into the network. That's why you must keep paying extremely close attention to this video. You won't want to miss out on what I'm about to say. The viral cash app allows you to plug in to a commission network and siphon off some of those profits for yourself and into your bank account. This app is easy because there is no setup process. It's an app, remember? Meaning it's cloud-based. There's nothing to install. Just log in and start using it right away. You'll own a dynamic page with the most exciting and shareable content on the web. We're talking about some of the most searched for keywords online. Those keywords will direct people to your money pages that my app creates and hosts for you. Every day, when you log on to Facebook or YouTube and watch funny, weird, hilarious, and shocking videos, did you know that every time you do that, Facebook and YouTube get paid? Seriously, they get paid when you watch and share viral videos. Don't you think it's time that you started getting paid when you watch viral videos and share them online? That's what the Viral Cash app does. It lets you share the same videos that you're already sharing on Facebook and YouTube, but with a twist. Because with my app, you will be the one getting paid.